Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and let me show you what I picked up. I picked up some Christmas items. My Dollar Tree is setting up for Christmas. A little late in some of the stores. I had a couple of stores that have been set up for a while, but this is I found in another store. Look at this. That's such a pretty design on a scarf, right? And it's got glitter. So, beware. There's glitter, but it is really cute. I love it. I picked up one in this pattern here. And I also picked up one in this pattern. See which one. Oh, that goes this way. Look at that. This is the one with the gnome. I love the colors. Look at this. How cute, right? So this one says, "This the season, holly jolly." But how adorable. Look at that. The gnome is pushing a wheelbarrow. How cute. I love it. Really cute. I like it. And let's see. The size on this scarf is 60 inches by 11 inches. Very cute. And then I picked up this trailer and the red truck. I picked up two red trucks because I have a DIY in mind for one of the trucks, so I needed two. And then of course I picked up the set, and these come with lights. So just pull the little battery tag out and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. How cute. The red truck glows. Oh, and look at the lights. How adorable. I like it. And then here is the trailer. And let's see. Oh, look at that. How cute. You can see the light through the windows. How cute. Very nice. Oh, look at the backside. Got a little awning on there too. Very nice. So I got that. Very cute. I'm quite happy I found these. Nice. Move those aside. And then I decided to pick up some of these strings. These have been in my store for a while. I've been ignoring them. So let's see. I guess purple is Halloween and the yellow is autumn, or part of the harvest decor. So these four here is, I have the brown, the green, orange, and like a burgundy color. That these are the four colors. Well, I picked up all the colors that they had on the shelf, so I'm thinking I picked up every color that they have. And these are, is there a size on here? Oh, here we go. They each have 20 yards of twine on them. So these are baker's twine. So you can definitely put these in the kitchen if you like. And these are the four harvest colors. Look at that. Green, brown, burgundy, and orange. And these twines are the perfect size for like small projects, like if you want to make a little bow. It's great for sewing too. It's a cute little size. And then the Halloween ones are here. And I feel like since there's four I found in the harvest, there should be another color in the Halloween colors too. I may be missing like orange, right? That could be the fourth color. Look at that. So this is the purple, the lime and the black. Nice. And I did pick up one spool in each color. I also did a repurchase. I picked up another one of these puzzle savers, and it comes in 4 fluid ounces. I do like using these. It leaves a very nice finish on any project. It doesn't have to be used on puzzles. Oh, and then I also picked up some plant hangers. Look at these macrame plant hangers. And they are 30 inches long. So look at that. So I picked this up for my Halloween display outside. I was thinking about putting some skeletons in here, and hanging it up, and they kind of like a a cage for skeletons. I do have some larger skeletons that I can tuck in here, and they can swing around outside and have some fun. And I did pick up 3 of these. Now they do come in other colors, but I wanted the black colors for Halloween. Oh, and then I know this is not Halloween, but look what I found. I mean, as a crafter, I still have to eat, right? So it is a Vasta sheet slicer. This is just spin and slice your favorite vegetable and fruits. But look at this. Nice. And look at that. Oh, look at all the... Oh, you can slice apple. Well, I mean, we know we can slice apple, but in thin sheets, look at that. And if you make your own lasagna, you can slice vegetables for your lasagna. And pesto veggie noodles. Oh, it slices noodles too. Makes sense, right? It comes with a fettuccine blade. I mean, this is a very good buy. If you can find it at your Dollar Tree, pick it up. This will make fantastic Christmas gifts too. So it says keto, vegan, vegetarian friendly. But wow, I couldn't believe it. I had to stare at the display, when they ring them up. I was like, making sure it's $1.25. And it is by All Star Innovations. Yeah, I was like, please ring up for $1.25. And then I found another book. This is the Rose Art Museum at Brandeis, or Brandeis. So, U.S. price is $60. How cute! Look at this. And it's still wrapped in plastic. And it's not that cheap plastic either. This is some nice quality plastic. If you care about that thing. Let me open this. This is a really nice cover. So the words are embossed. So if you find this one, you can feel the difference in the wording. Nice. So let's see. I love all these art books that Dollar Tree has lately. Nice. Look at that. So this one is called Arctic Bloom 1965. It is a silk screen, and it's by Joseph Albers, American born. Right? Look at this one. This one's nice too. This is Landscape near Frankfurt. The Factory, 1922, and it's by Max Beckmann, German. Really cute. So I do have to do a little peek before I flip pages. This being an adult book. Look at that. Look at this one. This is nice. I like it. And this one is by Raoul Dofy and it's French. And this painting is called Maison du Wallon 1925. And it is an oil painting. With all the squiggly lines, I was thinking it might be acrylic, but it's actually oil painting. Very nice. This kind of looks like it is contemporary art that they're showing in this book. Ooh, look at this one. This would be great in like a backdrop in a scrapbooking, right? How cute. Like you got Father's Day coming up. Imagine resizing this for a background. And then this one is by George Gross, German, and it is called Unemployed, and it doesn't have a date. It is ink and watercolor on paper. Wow, nice. It is very detailed, isn't it? Cute. And let's see. Oh, look at this one. It looks like a flower, doesn't it? But let's see. This is by Alexander Calder, American. Wait, was I off? It's Cornmeal, 1977, and it's a tapestry. It's 62 by 84 inches. Oh gosh, you have to have some patience to do this tapestry, which I do not have. For such a large piece, yeah, and then you got all this large open area that's nothing but solid color. That takes quite a lot of patience. But again, detail is too, but you know, you get instant results with details too. This is nice. I like it. Oh, look at this. Who would have thought this would be a famous art piece? Look at that. It's by Sam Francis American. It is called White Ring 1966. And it is acrylic on linen. And it is 118 by 158 inches. Wow. It's quite bold to do something like this and present it to the world and say, hey, look what I did. So, a visit to Japan in the late 1950s influenced his work, inviting a quiet tranquility after the fashion of Japanese art. He allowed more white space to creep onto his canvas, which were also expanding in size. The negative space on White Ring is expansive. Francis allowed the white acrylic paint to dominate the canvas, evoking stillness. I love reading about what the artist was thinking when they do their paintings. Any art, right? Not just painting, I mean any design. Fantastic. Oh, look at this one. So everybody's into gel painting, and well, look how long it's been around. So this one is by Helen Frankenthaler, American born, and this is called Yellow Line 1982. It is acrylic on canvas. She is best known as the inventor of the soak stain method. Oh, so is that what it's called? It's the soak stain method? The original gel painting. Wow. Helen describes herself as an artist of paint making discoveries. She has worked in various 2 and 3-dimensional media and revisited many ideas and motifs over the course of her long career. The layering of color and horizontal lines in Yellow Line are several of these. Here the paint covers the canvas in horizontal and vertical swaths applied with various implements to the unstretched canvas on the floor. Wow, that's quite a thing to do on unstretched canvas. Oh, look at this. It's a drawer. I love this. This one's nice too. Cabin interior. So yeah, have fun. I hope you find this book. I hope I was able to show you a few items today that you may want to pick up on your next trip to Dollar Tree. Definitely keep a watch out for this pasta machine. It is, a sheet slicer. A very good buy at Dollar Tree if you can find it. And then definitely go visit your book section to see what new books that they have out. I have been lucky of late to find some really good books. And yeah, I'm quite happy with everything that I found at Dollar Tree. Well, I want to say thank you to Dollar Tree and of course to all the employees that are able to put out all this merchandise for me to come find. Thank you. And I hope that you enjoyed watching my haul for today. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafted Ideas, and I will see you next time.